When you purchase companies, establishments, or products for your account, you receive a monthly volume of feedback that will be automatically monitored by the platform. This volume varies according to the number of assets acquired and is calculated by the platform using algorithms and historical data. It was shown in the feedbacks field on the registration form when you purchased the business account. But what happens if that volume is exceeded? If the companies, establishments, or products you're monitoring receive more feedback than the contracted limit, you'll be notified by the platform. If you're interested, you can purchase additional feedback credits at any time, directly within the platform. Just click the Buy Feedback Credits icon to define the desired volume. As you adjust the amount, the system displays the amount that will be charged immediately to your current subscription, as well as the amount that will be charged in future renewals. By clicking Acquire Feedback Credits, you'll be taken to the payment page. Once payment is confirmed, the additional feedback credits will be added to your account.